Hi, I'm Miltonchang of Bonsai Heirloom. A beautiful autumn day. You can see the persimmon trees are turning red and yellow, beautiful. And that's also a reminder it's a good time to repot your trees. This is the best time. I want to tell you, I'm very happy that we have reached a significant milestone on the YouTube with 100,000 subscribers in 1 year. We are gratified with your response and hope you will continue to provide us feedback, because my objective is to make Bonsai Heirloom a community where we share good ideas. So please provide the feedback. I'm very pleased with the response and very gratified with the enthusiasm from our audience. So I want to thank you for your support. One of the questions we got all the time is, where do I get good bonsai material? And in fact, some wrote and say, when can we buy from you? So my team and I are working hard to get to grow the trees so that we'll have trees to ship the third quarter of 2024. And we'll use that occasion to thank you for your support. And we will ship our very first 10 trees to the raffle winners to thank you as an expression of our appreciation. To be qualified for this draw, there are only 2 requirements, nothing to buy. That A, you have to be a subscriber on YouTube. And the second is you can go to our website to fill out the form. So the raffle will end December 31st, 2023. We will make an email announcement to the winners early January, and then we will ship the bonsai out September 2024. And the reason why it takes so many months, A, we don't want to ship any trees until it's a time for it to get ready to be perfect to meet our rigid standards. Currently, these trees are still growing on our farm in a prime agricultural land near California coast, where we have abundance of water and cool temperature. So the trees will be really beautiful and ready and healthy when we ship them to you. Our philosophy is to ship no trees until the time is right, just like drinking a bottle of wine. I will take this opportunity to say a few words about Bonsai Heirloom. I'm a bonsai enthusiast for over 50 years, and it really has benefited me tremendously personally. When I was running businesses, it was extremely stressful, and I found working on bonsai enables me to relax, much like meditation, so I can cope with the stress. And in some sense, I found it really beneficial to maintain our mental health, so to speak. And with that in mind, I want to promote bonsai as a hobby. That's why I do the YouTube, to share with you everything I know. And then I started Bonsai Heirloom to make bonsai available, good quality bonsai material available, so that there's not the fear that bonsai would die on you. And there's a lot of innovation in what we do, including a patent pending pot to benefit the growth of the trees. In short, I really found bonsai to be a very healthy hobby in this hectic world. One is that it helped me manage stress, to be able to cope with the work-related stress. And it's really like medication, where I can go out and I can work on my computer, go out, water my plants for 15, 20 minutes, do a little clipping. It's really relaxing. It kind of increases my ability to focus and concentrate. And the second thing I found bonsai is really useful. There's a lot of adversarial feeling towards different people. And so that I think bonsai is a good community relationship builder, where people share the same interests from different walks of life and share best practices and become friends. Another thing I'm doing along the same line is the YouTube video, because I'm imagining the formation of a bonsai heirloom community where we share good information and eventually feel comfortable with each other to even communicate on their own. Thank you very much for enabling us to reach the 100K milestone. We have a lot of good material to supply you. And also, I look for your feedback. So there's plenty good information to share with each other. And so please stay tuned and continue to give us feedback. Please also spread the good words about bonsai and the practice of bonsai by doing your own thing locally. Join the club, teach a few students to do bonsai, and visit our website. So with that in mind, then, stay tuned. We'll continue to strive to serve you well and provide you good, useful information and eventually good quality bonsai. Thank you. Like our video, like our announcement, subscribe to our channel to get announcements, and hope talk to you again soon.